I get up, here, everywhere, up, down, left, right, Shorty's moving again, Shorty's loose with the pen, Shorty do with the wind, yeah.
Doing a little pre-trip inspection. We're good there. Question of the day, ladies and gentlemen. Would y'all deliver a truck to a potential buyer? Well, I'm stupid enough to. I'm gonna tell y'all the whole story probably, I don't even know, on our way back or something. I got my buddy behind me in the Subaru. Alright y'all, so what would y'all do if you were trying to sell a vehicle and somebody called you on the phone and said, hey, I'm interested in buying your car. I want to buy your car. However, I don't have the means to get to you, right? Because my car went out. You think you would be able to deliver it for me? What would y'all do? Click, goodbye, conversation over. I've done enough deals on Craigslist to know, my intuition kind of would tell me that, you know, that deal's not going to go through. I'm pretty sure it'll be the same for y'all. However, that was not the case for me. So that was kind of what it was going like. You know, I was about to hang up the phone. All right. And this guy was like, hey, you know what? Why don't I send you a deposit? All right. He sent me a $500 deposit. And so I was a lot more willing to go over there. I was still afraid that he wasn't going to go through with it, but he gave me his word pretty much. Hey, man, if the car's as described, I'm going to buy it. All right. So anyway, long story short, we took the 2-hour drive out to way out where this guy lived, dropped off the car, and the guy bought the car. There was no problems, paid for it, and the rest of the footage that you're about to see is just, you know, me and my buddy dicking around on the car ride on the way back. All right, what's wrong with it?
Former cop car?
I've been looking for a cop car, man. Yeah. Look at that.
Fuck you!
Yo, man, I'm about to vlog this whole thing back, dude.
Don't get me doing illegal shit.
This guy's on fucking Facebook.
This will get you 30 miles a gallon. Easy.
What do you got?
2007 Honda Fit.
Dude, the Honda Fit's on with shit, though.
I see a lot of them with 200,000 miles. They may not be worth shit, but they get you good gas mileage.
Yeah. I call myself a mechanic. I can't even drive that standard.
I think that might be my next car. I want a TL with a 3.5 in it. Get a box, man, and start moving stolen products. What do you think? No, it's
dude,
right
I could have. Get the fuck out of here, dude. Dude, my shop is ideal for that shit, man. I mean, when I had the shop, I don't have it anymore, but, you know.
Well, we go buy a shell with a good VIN and a title. We'll just go steal a car.
Oh, man.
And do like you just did.
Swap
and
all the
convince
shit.
the guy that, hey, you know, it's just a good car. The VINs don't match. He has a title for some bullshit vehicle that isn't his.
Oh, man.
Just walk away. All the money. Pocket
Walk away with all the money.
Hope he didn't record the transaction. Titties or titles? I'll buy tacos for a bitch for titties.
Yeah.
I'm just sealing up a deal. Sure. I don't know where exactly Dunn Brothers is, but it's within blocks of my old house. I got a date tomorrow, 11. I'm gonna take her in the back seat and finger banger, finger banger. Picture of another cheeky monkey I'm trying to win a date with, dude.
Yeah. Let's see you. Let's see it, dude. Oh, fuck out of here, dude. She ain't real. Snapchat chicks ain't real, bro.
No, it's a
that
video.
shit's not video, man.
Huh? That's
Yeah.
her.
Damn. 5-speed Mini Cooper.
That's a sweet motherfucker. I
Yeah.
don't like how expensive Audis are, though. They keep breaking down. There's your TRD, Subaru. It's your baby. Should I just look straight at him and say, will you give me $3,000 as a trade-in?
Oh, babe. Dude, look at that S10, man. It's lowered.
It's a 4-cylinder.
Yeah. They got 4-wheel drive and all that, too.
Yeah, 350 in there.
Oh, that thing's badass, dude. There's no rust on that. Oh, no, there's rust on it.
Not much.
Yeah, but it's not bad. Let's see how much he wants for that shitty V6.
It's almost got no Hondas in there, you know?
Yeah.
Must be because he can't get a good deal.
They drive
It's too
American.
cheap.
They drive American out here, man.
That's 130,000.
Yeah. Getting
Oh,
F-150, man.
A little steep. He wants about $6,000 for a fucking piece of shit you can get for $3. There's no anywhere else.
Dude, Buicks are nice cars nowadays, man. I was just driving on this. Oh, no price.
320.
That's how much he wants.
No, that's
That's his number, yeah. Around here.
Buick Cross.
Those things are good, man. I was thinking about buying a Lucerne from the auction.
Fucking hate white cars, huh?
I like black cars.
Hide the rust, yeah.
You serious right now? You want the damn... Oh, we riding around it again, man. Oh, I gotta blank that out.
Please record your message. When you finish recording, you may hang up.
Hi, this is Alan from Car from Kids. We're hoping that you'll donate to Buick.